Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so glad that you guys are here with me today. And for you, my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome and welcome to Smoothie Fun Day. Guys, today I have another delicious, healthy, tasty smoothie for you. I am making a green smoothie bowl today, so let me begin by showing you all my ingredients to make this delicious, tasty smoothie. So these are all my ingredients to make my green smoothie bowl. I have about 2.5 pounds of spinach, organic, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pineapples, 1 banana. I have half cup of almond milk. However, you don't have to use almond milk. You could use coconut water, but because I love using almond milk, I just use almond milk. And these are just topping strawberries, blackberries, ham's heart. And let me begin by making my delicious smoothie bowl. Okay guys, we're all done, all green. See when I put all my topping in, look delicious. The thing about smoothie bowl, you can put any topping you want to put. You just decorate your bowl and it just looks so beautiful. Because I love an attractive plate. I love everything attractive. So this is how this is. So now I have to taste. Oh, this is so good. This is so tasty and sweet. Perfect sweet. The mango is, this mango is so sweet. Oh my, it's sweet like honey. Delicious. You know what I love about smoothie bowl? You can add all the toppings, just keep adding all the toppings you want on it. The more the merrier, and it's just beautiful. That's what I love, just continue putting all your fruits and your nuts and whatever you want to put. It's just make it more beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's like, should I eat this? Should I just kept it like this? This is so beautiful. It is. It's attractive. I love things that are attractive. And anyway guys, this is all for now. And remember, I will insert all my recipes in my description box below, along with a link to all my social media. Please hit the like button and like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. And if you have something that you'd want me to make, just make a request, and once it is humanly possible, I will make it just for you. And please give my video a thumbs up, that helps my channel a lot. And please leave me a comment, I love comments. And share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, and you're not yet subscribed for some reason, please hit that subscribe button, that red button, that red subscribe. Please click on it, and when you click on it and subscribe, please click on that bell. It's a notification bell, so whenever I upload new videos, you will get a notification. That's all I have to say. Oh, by the way, someone just brought me these beautiful flowers, and I love receiving flowers. So let me go get it and bring it back and show you guys the lovely flowers that I just got. So these are my beautiful flowers that I received. They're just so colorful and pretty, and I love flowers. So I just want to say for the person who think of me to get me these flowers, thank you so much. I love them. You know, they brighten my day. So thank you, and see you guys soon.